Welcome to the channel. I'm Speedy Vargas, and today we're going to be working on my GTX28 CUDA turbos. We are going to be installing this Kinagawa velocity stack. Believe it or not, velocity stacks are actually hard to get, at least the ones I wanted, because every single one that I was finding online everywhere is the one with the rubber coupler, and I really didn't want that. I wanted something that would go over the housing and then probably bolt it on, and I ended up ordering this one for 50 bucks online, and when I got it, it actually wouldn't go over the housing like this. I actually had to get it machined right here so it will fit into this, and now it fits. It goes all the way down. Get close. Look at that. But one thing that I don't like is this gap right here. I don't know, it makes me want to do something about it, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. I'm actually gonna remove this lip and make this sit all the way down here, and then we're gonna drill some holes, tap them, and put some recessed screws or bolts right here, which I have right here. They're really tiny. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, now that we put the turbo away so we don't get any of the metal shavings anywhere near it, let's start doing this. I'm probably gonna see if I can actually just sand it down. If it looks like it's gonna take too long, then I'll go to the cutting wheel and do that, but hopefully I can just sand it down and do it that way. That way it's a little bit more precise, more smooth. All right, so it either went really good or I just destroyed my turbo or my turbo housing. That's what we cut right there. That should give us enough clearance. As you can see, it looks, I did it as straight as I could do it, possibly do it, but that's where this comes to play. We're gonna sand it down, make it straight, smooth it out, but at least it almost goes all the way down. It still has, I think, about a millimeter of gap. But I think once we smooth it down, straighten it up with this, it should go all the way down. All right, so that about does it for this. Sitting all the way down. So time to drill 2 holes so we can install our little hold-on bolts. And these, we're just gonna eyeball them. Alright, so we got the 2 marks where we want it, and then we're just going to use a punch. It's aluminum, so it should make us a good pilot there. There we go. We have our drill bit already the size that we need it. And try to get it as straight as I can. All right, all done. Remember, these didn't have to be precise, so that's why I just used the vice grip to hold the tap, and I just drilled it by eye. So it should work. Yep. Right on. And that way it'll hold in there and it'll be smooth on the outside.
Dos minutos queda.
Alright, it ain't going nowhere. The one thing I kinda don't like, if you get close to here, is that it's not flush. It has a little bit of a step. I don't know if the camera can actually get that, but there's a step in there. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can take it to the machine shop and get rid of that lip right there, so there's a smooth transition from this to the turbine housing. I don't think it's gonna create any problems performance wise, like the airflow going in, but I just think it looks ugly. And as you can see, we went through all the trouble to make this look as good as we can, so why not do that? Now let's put it on the turbo and see how it looks. All right, let's put this bad boy back on here. All right, so here we go. Oh. I think that just looks good. All right, so I guess the next step is going to be getting rid of that step in here, and I'm probably gonna have these powder coated wrinkle black on the outside to match the turbo, and then I'm probably gonna do a glossy black on the inside. That way we're gonna be able to see that red impeller really good. And then we gotta put these bad boys on the Exo car. So stay tuned for some more videos, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. And to all of you that already subscribed, thanks a lot. I believe we already hit 300 subscribers. That's a lot for me. I think 300 subscribers is more than I was expecting. So thank you to everybody. And let's make this channel bigger. Subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Peace.